Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Learning with Joy. So as per the beginner's guide, the next topic is how to read the Excel files. Okay, using Talend, how do we read the Excel files from one path and load it into another path? Okay, so let's quickly jump into the topic. I'll show you the file which we will be using. Okay, so this is the customer details file. Okay, the Excel file which has few fields and few records. Okay, so I have put this in one path. Now what I will do is I'll read this using Talend, some components, and I'll load it into another Excel file in some other path. Okay. So for your ease, I have already developed the job. Okay. So I have developed it in two different ways. I just wanted to give the new learners what is the exact difference between the built-in schemas, like how we will be using that, and what is the metadata schema. So as previously I have already done this for the delimited file, I want to do it for the Excel files also. That's why I have done this video, guys. So if anyone want to see the delimited files video, please look into the video. Okay, my previous video, it's available in my channel, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, right. So the first thing is built-in schema. So this is the first component. Let me tell you, the component which we will be using to read the Excel files is T file input Excel. Okay, so I'll tell you all these properties. The first thing is the built-in schema. So schema is nothing but the structure of that particular file. Okay, so this is the structure. Schema is, this is the structure. So we have four different columns. Okay, now the built-in schema. Okay, so here if you see, this is the schema. Okay, we have created with the column name. So this column names can be the one which is present in the file, or it can be different names, whichever you want. If you want to elaborate it, customer ID, customer name. So it's totally depend upon us. Okay, so this is the thing. So first thing is, where is this particular file located? You need to browse the location. Okay, here. Then Excel contains many sheets, right? So if you see here, we have customer detail sheet. So you have different sheets. So you need to tell which sheet should be taken. If I have only one sheet here, so I just mentioned it all sheets. Okay, if it is not present, then you need to mention the sheet name or what is the position. Okay, right now I have only one sheet in my Excel, so I'm giving it all sheets. Now similarly in the delimited file, I have a header as well, so I'm giving one header. Okay, so I'm saying die on error if this particular file is not present or any issues with the file or anything. So this per component will die and you'll be getting the error on the executing time. Okay, so what is the first column? So this is the first column. Okay, from the first column you need to take, right? Now next, let's go to the tmap. In tmap, very simple operation. Just I'm dragging all these things and putting it into the output thing with the names and the date patterns. Guys, don't forget to cross check your date patterns, how it is there in your file. It should be the same. Okay, finally I'm loading it into the output. So first thing is, this is T file output Excel. Now you need to check the path where you want to save it with the file name. Okay, so if you want to name it something else, you can name it, or I'm just leaving it as sheet one. Okay, I'm telling it to include the header. Okay, I want the header because without header, you don't know what is the data present in it. Okay, so this is the basic settings, guys. Okay, so this is about the built-in schema. Okay, now let's get into this metadata schema. It's also the same process, just the thing is, in this you will not edit any schema. Here, if you see, guys, on the left hand side, you have metadata, and I have the metadata which will be defined for the Excel. So this is the customer details Excel file. I'll just show you briefly. So I have given the name as cust details. Now next, what happens is what is present in the next page. Okay, in that you will be selecting the path. Okay, similar what we have done. And if your format is 2007 file format, if it is XLSX format, then please check this box. Okay, here I have only one sheet and I'm telling to take that one sheet. Okay, so here this header, what is the header and all these things. Okay, guys, so I'll just drag and drop it here. So if I drag it, it will tell automatically T file input Excel. Okay, when I drop it, I get it here, and no need of doing anything here. Whatever we have done in the metadata part, right, it will automatically come here, and the rest of the operation is absolutely same. Okay, this one out.xlx, and I'm saying to include the header. Okay, so these are all the columns and all same columns. So if you see here, you'll be getting the column names, right guys? So I'll quickly run this job. Okay, so see here 5 columns have come here, sorry, here 5 rows have come, and here 5 rows have come. Now let's quickly get into this and see Excel. See, you have two outputs. This output is the one with the built-in schema, okay, and the other output is from the metadata schema. Okay, you can check the names. So here I have given it as out.xlx, and here I have given it as output. Okay, so you got both the files, out and output. Right guys, I hope you got the today's topic, right? So if you have any queries or any questions, or if you want to know something else also on these topics or any other topics you want, please put it in the comment section. And please guys, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and many more content in a easy approaches I'll try to upload it. Okay guys, thank you so much, bye.